Want to increase your profits? Check out these affiliate marketing tips. Affiliate marketing can be an essential part of your website's future. You need to do all of your research so that you don't lose a ton of money or customers. You also need to have a reliable network of affiliates. There are some tips listed below to help you start. To sign the best contract possible, review it carefully before signing. Some companies might ask you not to sell anything else outside of their products. This will eventually keep you from earning more money, and you will find yourself tied to one program that you might not be satisfied with. If you find the website of the product owners not very well done, you can easily find affiliate link cloaker tools. These programs allow you to link any page from the company's website. Link your audience directly to the page where they can buy the product if your own website provides enough content. As an affiliate marketer, only recommend products you trust to people. The first thing you should do when marketing any product is to at least read up on it and find out the true information, if not, test the product out for yourself. If it is a garbage product that you're promoting, your name could be ruined before you get off the ground. Always make sure to check on a company's conversion numbers before you decide to work as an affiliate for them. Many new marketers are sold on bright and colorful websites and fail to check the sales conversion numbers. If the company is not turning a lot of visitors into customers, this means no commissions for you. Affiliate marketing can be very rewarding, but it can also be a lot of work. Regardless, if you know what to do and how to market smarter, you can really help promote your website. So, do yourself a favor and do your research and apply the above tips to your affiliate marketing strategy. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.